Sending a Missouri rental application form to a prospective tenant is the first step in the screening process. It is intended to provide consent for a background check and the information needed to conduct tenant screenings. However, you must consider federal and state laws when building a Missouri rental application. In this video, we'll discuss the details you need to know about Missouri rental applications. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. Let's hop right into today's video with what to include in a Missouri rental application form. Because a rental application form is a legal document, it's important to be cautious when drawing one up. You don't want to leave out important information or include details forbidden by law. Missouri landlords must also disclose the condition of the property, potential hazards, and their rules for rent, smoking, and pets, among others. Here's what you need to request from your applicant on your rental application form. Personal details, including credit history, income details, rental history, information about their employer, references, and a section or a separate document to grant the landlord permission to run a background check. You'll also need to disclose certain information about the residential property to potential tenants. This includes the condition of the rental unit or property, possible hazards that the prospective tenant may be exposed to, shared utility arrangements, rent control rules, smoking policy, the security deposit, and any associated fees. Now, what not to include. The Fair Housing Act prohibits discrimination of tenants based on the following attributes: race, disability, color, familial status, religion, nationality, and sex. In addition to those federal restrictions, Missouri also imposes its own rules. You may not discriminate based on ancestry. Requesting this information in Missouri rental application is unlawful. There are no restrictions placed on a rental application fee that a landlord in Missouri may charge a potential renter, although it is recommended not to demand more than the typical out-of-pocket cost. Landlords can charge as much or as little as they choose. Furthermore, under Missouri state law, if a potential tenant's application has been accepted, a landlord may only request a security deposit equal to no more than 2 months' worth of rent. They are also not obligated to issue tenants a receipt for the security deposits. Still, the fund must be kept in a bank or other financial institution that is federally insured. Before you may continue with the tenant screening process, the Federal Credit Reporting Act requires applicants to grant explicit written consent before a landlord can perform a credit analysis using the details they provided in the rental application. To ensure that you comply with this law, you can include a section in the Missouri rental application form or create a separate document to obtain this consent. Now you're ready to proceed with the tenant screening process and to learn more about the potential tenant before you approve and draw up a lease agreement. So let's go over those. First is a criminal history check. Criminal history is publicly available in Missouri. You can access these records by mail or using the Missouri Automated Criminal History site. Alternatively, you can use your property management software like DoorLoop to conduct this check. A credit check. You can also find a number of resources online that offer Missouri landlords the opportunity to learn more about applicants' credit behavior before allowing them to lease a rental property. Most reports are comprehensive, while others simply provide a pass or fail result. And an eviction record search. Landlords in Missouri have a few alternatives for accessing public available records for eviction checks. The State Judicial Court Directory offers a free on-demand method for obtaining public records. In addition to third-party property management software like DoorLoop that gathers all the data landlords require when conducting this check. You've probably heard me mention DoorLoop here and there throughout the video, so let's talk about DoorLoop for a second. DoorLoop is the ultimate solution for rental businesses and allows rental business owners to streamline their business processes and run background checks all in one place. Not only that, but you can collect rent, manage maintenance requests, and have a full accounting suite. So if you want to try out DoorLoop, you can get a free demo today by clicking the link in the description. Let's go over the adverse action notices. Suppose you reject the application, request a cosigner, or simply require the applicant to pay rent exceeding the original amount. In that case, you'll have to issue an adverse action notice. You'll need to provide this candidate with notice, even if their credit history was not the reason for rejection. If you're ready to create your first Missouri rental application form, you'll be happy to know that you have several options. First, you can make your own from scratch or use a free form template that I've linked down in the description. However, these options do not provide the convenience and personalized of third-party software. DoorLoop has an innovative autofill feature so you can create your application in record time and lease your rental property in no time. You can even market your rental property on DoorLoop. So once again, make sure to click that link down in the description. A rental application form can help you learn a lot about a potential tenant. You can learn more about the rental history, credit behavior, and criminal records. You can create rental applications and other documents using DoorLoop, so schedule a free demo with the link in the description. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're looking for a place to connect with other property managers, you can join our exclusive Facebook group linked in the description. You can also check out this playlist for more tips, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!